Stable smart factory transfer starts with process handoff, buffer design, and line takt balance. A fast single machine does not make a line stable. Bottlenecks often appear at buffering, arrival sensing, or material release. In the footage, robots and conveyors coordinate across stations, so each upstream move has to match downstream readiness. EVST checks part format, conveyor height, transfer direction, presence sensing, and abnormal return paths together. If equipment is added without process logic, debugging often becomes waiting, blocked flow, and unclear recovery. A stable line links robots, conveyors, buffers, sensors, and MES signals into one control loop. This fits home appliance, cookware, small part assembly, and multi-process continuous production lines. EVST can plan robot count, buffer zones, interlocks, and acceptance checks around takt bottlenecks.